What's up, y'all? Plugzilla here, back again with another very special video. And in this video, we're going to tell y'all exactly how we got our non-O marriage visa. A lot of people was telling us how expensive it is, how easy it is to mess up, but we're going to tell y'all step by step exactly how to get y'all's.
Alright guys, so what actually happened was we got married in America, right? So we actually had to get all the paperwork done in Thai embassy in America, but we just moved here, we didn't know. So when we leave here and we have to send the paperwork back to US. So all the stuff, the visa agency would handle everything for us.
Alright, so since we was already in Thailand, and we had to get all our paperwork sent back to America. And of course, we're not finna fly back there. We're not finna sit on the plane for 12 hours one way and 12 hours back just to get some papers legalized. But we had no idea. So we found this agency online and then we went through them. So once we sent our marriage certificate that we got from America, we sent it to them. And then they sent it back to the state that we got married in to get legalized. Then after that, they send it to the federal level to get legalized again. Then after that, they send it to the Thai embassy in America as well to get one more stamp of legalization before they send it back to us. So the whole process, just sending the papers there and getting the papers back, was approximately about 2.5 months long.
Alright, so after we got all the paperwork back from the agency, you want to bring that to the translations agency and they're going to handle everything for you. But once after done, you bring all the paperwork to the Amphur office. You can bring to any location nearby you, and then they're going to give you a form. It's called Kara 22. If you marry in Thailand, you need this form. And the required document, you will need a passport. That's all the stuff you get from the translator agency, and your Thai wife house register, the original one, and her ID, and 2 witnesses. This can be your wife, family, friends.
So once you get your Car 22 and all your translated documents back, the next step for you to do is to fill out your non-O visa. There are different type of visas, so make sure you pick the best one that suits you. We're married, so we picked non-O marriage visa. So there's also one catch to all this too. They need to see funds. So you need to be financially stable enough to provide for yourself or your family or whatever situation you have. And they need to see 400,000 Thai baht in your bank account, or they need to see 40,000 Thai baht annually every month in your bank account. So make sure you get your funds in order before you even think about applying. So once you get that part situated and you're ready to apply, make sure you have a copy of your passport, copy of your Car 22, make sure you have a copy of your house registration, because they're going to ask you to upload everything. And also, one of the last catches is you need to upload proof of funds. They need to actually see that you have this money that you say you have. So you need to figure out how to download all of your bank statements or however you're getting money and compile it all into one PDF, because you can only upload one file at a time for this. So this would kind of trip me up, because I tried to upload multiple different pages, but you can't. You have to put it all on one because there's only one upload. So once you upload everything, you'll be good. And then the next catch is, since we did this already in Thailand, we had to physically leave the country, then come back once we get the visa. So we picked Laos, which was closest. So we just figured like, all right, let's just go there. So once you fill out everything online, they do not let you pay for the actual visa online. They will make you physically go to the Thai embassy in Laos. Well, that's where we went, the Thai embassy in Laos, to finish the application process. But there's also one catch. So if you're like us, we was already in Thailand and we left. So we had to figure out exactly how to upload everything correctly and make sure we had it all before we get back. But we didn't know. Immigration told us that once we go there and pay, we can come right back. But that's not the catch. That's not the case. So you need to physically upload a picture of your passport, and it shows the stamp that you are physically in Laos before they can even process this application. So you fill out your application, you don't submit it. You go to Laos or wherever country you want to go to, you get your stamp, you take a picture, then you submit it. Then you get it real back, like you get a receipt to go pay like instantly. So you don't have to worry about, if I get it back or if I won't get it back. You get it instantly. So this is one thing we figured out like going through this process, and we're trying to, tell everybody to help them. So once you get into the country and you have the stamp, you upload it, you submit it, you go pay at the Thai embassy in Laos, that's where we went, and then you wait for the email confirmation of your visa.
And we pay for 2,000 baht.
Right, yeah, and then once we got to the Thai embassy, they allowed us to pay, and it was 2,000 baht for the application fee.
Yeah, and make sure y'all print it out. If not, they have a little printer in the front that you can pay and get that print out.
Yeah, so make sure you have all your documents in order. Make sure you do print them out. But like she said, if you forget to print, across the street from the Thai embassy in Laos, there's like 3-4 people who are out there printing. They may overcharge you a little bit, but at least you'll have your paper.
All right, so after you're done from Thai embassy in Laos, you have to wait for the visa to send through to your email. They told us between 2 to 5 days, but if you get lucky, you might get it done in the same day or tomorrow, whatever. But you have to make sure you have that visa in your email first to show the Thai immigration so you can get back into Thailand.
Right, because we was almost not let back in because we didn't know. Because we was told 2 or 3 different things. We had no idea. So we was kind of like figuring it out as we went. But yeah, so we got lucky, thankfully. So make sure you print it out or make sure you have it in your email before you try to come back in. Because they will not let you in if you don't have it.
Correct.
So once you make it back into Thailand successfully with your new visa, you only get 90 days on this visa. Then after that, you can apply for a 1-year extension. The 1-year extension costs about 2,000 baht, but that's still only a single entry. But you can also go back up to them and pay 3,900 baht, which is about...
It's like $120?
Something like that. I don't know. We'll put it on the screen right here. But... And that'll give you multiple entries. Say like you like to travel, or you like to want to go here, and still keep your visa in Thailand. You have to still pay that extra multiple entry fee. Because if not, you only got 1 entry. So you start off with the 90 days. You pay for the 1-year extension, and then you pay for the multiple entry extension for your extension, and then you're good for another year. Then after that year, you have to keep renewing it. Each 90 days, you have to also renew it to make sure you're still here, still active, and so everything's still good for your visa. So overall, the process was very stressful, but very doable. We didn't really have no help. We was trying to kind of like figuring things out as we went, but we figured it out, and we're just trying to share our experience and our mistakes with y'all so that y'all don't make the same mistakes that we did. So if y'all have any questions or comments or anything that we can help y'all with so y'all can get y'all visa process going smoother, just let us know down in the comments below. So I hope y'all found this video very educational, very helpful. If y'all need us to talk about other things as well, just let us know. We're here. We're very personable. We're ready to talk. We're ready to help. So just see y'all in the next episode.
Bye-bye.